Alright, so we got a package today, so I'm going to show you what we got. We're going to be working on the Mustang, so let's get in here, pop the hood, if I can remember where it is. Alright. Yeah, so we can see we're having some issues with the headlights. They're a little old, the seals are busted in them. You can see that. Let's open her up. Alright. And let's put the bill on here. So you can see the headlights a lot better. See how foggy they are? The seals are all broken. You can see. So let's go see what we got in the box. So we got this box in. Found these on Amazon. The puppy's out here helping me, right? You out here help? So yeah, this is what I got in the mail from Amazon. So look at the quality of these headlights. Headlight covers, I guess that should be more accurate. But yeah, we'll put them up here on the stand. Oh yeah, look at those. Brand new. All nice new and plastic. There's the left side. And then we've got the right side here. Kind of nicely packaged. Let's see. Alright. Take that, put that over there. We'll do a comparison here in a minute between the new and the old. So we just got to get in here and take the old ones out. So, more when that comes. Let's try them with the headlights on. What are you doing, pup? So, let's get back in here. Try it with the headlights on. Got me a brand new battery in there, so. But yeah, you can tell. This one's way foggy. See that? Way dim. This one's really bad. Ooh. Look at that. Seal's really bad. Yeah, that's how it looks. So basically taking these old electrical interfaces off. I think that's it. There's a new seal there. You gotta take this paper out. So you gotta take this screw out here. Alright. So we're just putting the light back in. And I'll show you how to take that bulb out and that side bulb out. And then just push it back in. And I'll show you, there's 2 bars that you have to put in. So basically just push that in like that. Make sure the headlight flush with the sides. And right here, another little bar traps, fasteners, that's what you put in. So I'll lighting. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Stick these little bars. And slide them in. Slide them in right there. Oh, where'd it go? Right there. Alright, well we got them installed. Oh yeah. Look at that. Looks really good. Nice and clear. Everything put back together. Very nice. Oh yeah. Look at that. Put the hood down, see what it looks like. Nice. So I have to do this in the garage, it's winter time. But yeah, car's looking good. Put the new headlights on. Oh yeah. Nice. Let's go see the tail lights. Make sure they're all looking nice. We got these fin tail lights. Really nice.